and welcome to our tico 77X tutorial series. My name is Yacin Shahin from Technical Support at Hengstler, and in today's tutorial I would like to show you how easily you can program these standard functions in the tico 77X. To get the access of the selection of the standard functions, keep the keys E and arrow up pressed and switch on the device. As you can see, we have the basic function pulse counter. Now you can use arrow up or arrow down for the next basic function, like tachometer, timer, shift counter, and batch counter. And you can go back with arrow up, shift counter, timer, tachometer, and finally pulse counter. If the standard function is reached, then you can press E and save it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'm looking forward to see you again in the next videos. Thank you very much.